Want strong bones? Get enough sleep. Surprised? Most people are. We know about calcium and exercise, but sleep? It's crucial. While you sleep, your body works hard. It repairs tissues, including bones. Think of it as your body's overnight construction crew. Give it enough time, and you wake up stronger. This isn't just about preventing breaks. Good sleep builds bone density. That means stronger, healthier bones for life. So, how do we unlock this power? Let's dive in. During sleep, amazing things happen. Your body releases hormones like growth hormone. This is key for bone growth and repair. Sleep is when your body absorbs calcium and other minerals. These are the building blocks of strong bones. Ever feel groggy after a bad night's sleep? Imagine your bone-building crew feeling that way. They can't work effectively without enough rest. Quality sleep means they can do their job right. This leads to stronger, denser bones. That means fewer fractures and less risk of osteoporosis later in life. Sleep is a simple yet powerful investment in your bone health. You wouldn't send a construction crew to work without the right materials, right? The same goes for your body. A balanced diet is essential for bone health, especially at night. Calcium is a must-have. Dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods are great sources. Don't forget vitamin D. It helps your body absorb calcium. Find it in fatty fish, eggs, and sunlight. Protein is also important. It provides the building blocks for bone repair. Include lean meats, fish, beans, or lentils in your diet. Eating well throughout the day sets the stage for successful bone rebuilding while you sleep. Think of your bedtime routine as prepping your body for construction. A consistent routine signals your body it's time to wind down. This promotes better sleep quality. Start by choosing a regular sleep schedule. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Yes, even on weekends. Consistency is key. An hour before bed, dim the lights and put away screens. Engage in relaxing activities. Read a book, take a warm bath, or listen to calming music. Avoid heavy meals or intense exercise close to bedtime. These can disrupt your sleep. Section 5. Creating a sleep sanctuary for bone health. Your bedroom should be a haven for sleep, a place where you can unwind and let go of the day's stresses. A cool, dark, and quiet environment is ideal for promoting deep, restorative sleep. This kind of setting helps signal to your body that it's time to rest. Consider using blackout curtains to block out light. These curtains can make a significant difference, especially if you live in an area with a lot of street lights, or if you need to sleep during the day. A room temperature around 65 degrees Fahrenheit is optimal. This cooler temperature helps your body maintain a lower core temperature, which is conducive to better sleep. Make sure your bed is comfortable. This means having a mattress and pillows that support your body and help you maintain a good sleeping posture. Invest in a good quality mattress and pillows. These are essential for providing the support your body needs to relax fully and recover overnight. Your body needs proper support for optimal sleep and recovery. A supportive mattress can help alleviate pressure points and reduce the risk of waking up with aches and pains. White noise can be helpful in blocking out distracting sounds. This can be particularly useful if you live in a noisy environment or if you are a light sleeper. Try a fan, a white noise machine, or even a calming nature sounds app. These tools can create a consistent sound environment that masks other noises and helps you fall asleep more easily. Remember, your bedroom should be a place of rest and rejuvenation for both your mind and your bones. Creating a sleep sanctuary can significantly improve your overall health and well-being, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Section 6. Move your body for better sleep and stronger bones. Exercise is a win-win for sleep and bone health. Regular physical activity during the day can improve your sleep quality at night. It also helps build stronger bones. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days of the week. This could be brisk walking, swimming, cycling, or dancing. Find something you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Weight-bearing exercises are especially beneficial for bone health. These include activities like walking, running, and strength training. They put stress on your bones, which helps them grow stronger. Section 7. Ditch the stimulants. Coffee, nicotine, and alcohol. We all love a good pick-me-up, but stimulants can wreak havoc on your sleep. Caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol can interfere with your sleep cycle and prevent restful sleep. Avoid caffeine in the hours before bed. That includes coffee, tea, soda, and chocolate. Nicotine is a stimulant, so if you smoke, try to quit or at least avoid smoking close to bedtime. While alcohol might make you feel sleepy initially, it can disrupt your sleep later in the night. Limit your alcohol intake, especially in the hours before bed. Remember, a good night's sleep is essential for your bone-building crew to work their magic. Stimulants can keep you awake and alert when you should be winding down. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, soda, and even chocolate, can stay in your system for hours, making it harder to fall asleep. Nicotine, another powerful stimulant, can increase your heart rate and keep your mind racing. If you smoke, consider quitting or at least avoid smoking close to bedtime. Alcohol, while it might make you feel drowsy at first, can disrupt your sleep cycle, leading to a restless night. To ensure a good night's sleep, try to limit your intake of these substances, especially in the evening. Your body will thank you for it. By making these small changes, you can improve the quality of your sleep and wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. A good night's sleep is crucial for your overall health and well-being. So, ditch the stimulants and give your body the rest it deserves. Your bone-building crew will be hard at work, ensuring you stay strong and healthy. Sweet dreams. Section 8. Finding your personal sleep sweet spot. Sleep is essential for our overall well-being, but the perfect sleep routine can be different for everyone. What works for one person might not work for another. Some people might need a firm mattress, while others prefer something softer. The key is to find what helps you sleep best. This might involve adjusting your sleeping environment or changing your bedtime habits. Experiment with different strategies to create a personalized sleep plan. Keep a sleep diary to document your experiences and note what works and what doesn't. Track your sleep patterns, bedtime routines, and any factors that affect your sleep. This includes what you eat and drink, your stress levels, and your physical activity. This can help you identify patterns and make adjustments as needed. For instance, you might find that avoiding caffeine in the evening improves your sleep quality. Don't be afraid to try different things. Adjust your pillows, change your room temperature, or even try different sleep positions. Maybe a warm bath works wonders for you, helping to relax your muscles and prepare your body for rest. While someone else prefers listening to calming music, soft, soothing sounds can create a peaceful atmosphere conducive to sleep. The most important thing is to find what helps you relax and get a good night's sleep. Whether it's reading a book, meditating, or practicing deep breathing exercises, find your personal sleep sweet spot and stick to it. Section 9. The Power of Sleep. A recap for strong bones. We've covered a lot of ground, so let's recap. Sleep is vital for strong bones. It's when your body repairs and rebuilds your skeletal system. Prioritizing sleep is like investing in a strong foundation for your health. Remember to eat a balanced diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, and protein. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and make sure your sleep environment is conducive to rest. Incorporate regular exercise into your day and avoid stimulants like caffeine and alcohol before bed. Most importantly, listen to your body and find what works best for you. Section 10. Sweet dreams, strong bones. Your journey starts tonight. Don't underestimate the power of sleep. It's not just about feeling rested. It's about building a stronger, healthier you. Start implementing these tips tonight and experience the difference. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed and knowing you're supporting your bone health. It's all possible with the power of sleep. Sweet dreams and strong bones to you.